Okay, so we're nearing the boil, and I've reconfigured again to recirculate from the boil kettle again down through that hose into the wort pump, out of the wort pump, and into my first stage of my chiller right here. That wort then will go through this chiller, through this hose into the second stage, through this valve, which I can use to control flow rate during chilling, back up into this thermometer, and you can see the temperature is rising as that liquid flows through there. It's again nearing boiling, so this is going to take a little while for it to stabilize, but it'll come up to that temperature. We go through our piping back in there and then out to a fitting here on the front, and I just brought that hose back up to the boil kettle. So normally what would happen during a brew session is near the end of the boil, and that's 10-15 minutes, I will recirculate the boiling wort at that point, through the chilling stages and through all of these parts in order to sanitize. We use heat sanitizing for that. And so that way when we start chilling, all the wort that goes through the chilling stages will pass through previously sanitized components. And the hose that goes now back into the boil kettle for the recirculation I'll just move that over to the fermenter, and we'll start transferring that chilled wort back into the fermenter. So that's what's going on right now. Let's check our boil temperature. We're just about 200 degrees. Boiling for wort here in Utah, I'm about 4,500 feet above sea level, is about 204 for wort. So I think I'm not sure how that math works. Water might be a little higher. I think it probably is a little higher. So anyway, we're almost to the boil, and I'll be back later with maybe the final update, the chilling update.